I want to suck blood.
You ever get those new shoes? Yeah, I bought like a pair of shoes. I bought them for soccer. I play soccer. You know what bad news is? Like, you have to fucking sell yourself. The hardest thing you are right now is not going to be the hardest that you are like 4 years from now.
Please let me suck your blood.
It's like you gotta be this stuff, you gotta get up, you gotta sit that coffee, pound it in your ass and clean up, and then just go worthless a day. You know, when you sit back and sleep all day, you feel like shit. You know, like that's what I've learned. Like I've been thinking from being like, oh, I graduated college, you know, I didn't feel good. You know, kind of thing. I never got anything from that except it just made me feel worse. My homework wasn't being made. You know, you just when you're more on the schedule, it's just like things are happening. You know, and it's like you literally make time for more art. That's what happened to me. Like I started like working more so, and I was like, fuck it. I'm like, I gotta pay. Like, I got to. You're an artist. It's like your own company, but you are fucking Campbell's fucking soup. You know, the company. What? And like you gotta sell yourself constantly. You know, and make people be like, fuck, this is the best damn art, and I've tasted it.
Light yourself. Light yourself! Move around like you're lighting yourself. Move around like you're lighting yourself. You're lighting yourself. You're lighting yourself. You're lighting yourself. Keep doing it. Keep lighting yourself. Walk. Keep walking your light. No, I love it. It's beautiful. Walk this way. Do it with your head. You walk this way, right there. Light yourself. Light yourself. Stop. Leave your hand there. Don't move. Darren, lean in. Take a photograph of her. Lean. Lean. Stop leaning. Lean! Lean closer. Closer. You're not leaning. High, and move higher your head. Straighten your back. Straighten your back. Right there. Don't fucking move. Press that button. It's a red button or something. Just press it. Just tighten up the frame and press it. No, so let me see it. Show me the photo. No, move your head backward. Put your head back where it was. Put it straight. Boom. I'm silhouetting you right now, Darren. Now move the film. No. Bring that film back. Now shine it. Keep moving it so I can see it. And right there, it's shining. It's shining. The camera. Now keep doing that. Camera Lucida.
What do you have to say?
Camera Lucida. All right. Keep doing that. I got a close up of Anna while you're shining the photograph of her. And it's sparkling in my frame. Alright? Now, tilt it. Right. No.
Close the door, please.
Tilt it. Tilt. Stay right there. Go back. I want it to sparkle. Look at me. Anna. Close your eyes.
No, this is classical. How would I even categorize it?
Sparkle it. Make it sparkle.
I demand an explanation
So let's have some fun.
Sparkle.
And let me suck your blood.
What would you do with the sparkle
Just
photograph?
hanging around with my teeth in your neck.
Photograph.
Don't you think it might be fun?
Make it sparkle. Anna, you make it sparkle now. Make it sparkle! Make that photograph sparkle. You don't like it. Just throw it away. Just throw it away. Oh, Darren, I want you to look at her through my lens. Don't take another photo.
It doesn't work.
You ready? Are you looking? Are you?
Yeah. Do the epilogue.
Are you really? Are you really looking? Then switch spots with her and let me photograph you. Don't move though until he gets over there. And don't even move when he gets there. Neil, you're still letting yourself?
Vaguely.
You're looking at her. You're looking at her. Sad. Curious. Both of you, you're alright. Stay there. I'm losing your face when you do that. I like it though. Do it again. Make sure I want. Go back to where you were. Just disappear, 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 disappear. Make sure I want black on her left side. It's shadowy, but oh, that's nice. Dude, whatever you're doing, just keep doing it.
I'm sick of fucking bullshit. Like, I don't like the humor. I don't like the bullshit. I don't like that shit at all. I hate the whole fucking, like, let me kiss your ass and